Hey there, did you know that eating a healthy breakfast can boost your energy levels by up to 20%? Or do you ever wonder what the best breakfast is to kickstart your day? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of breakfast and why it's so crucial for setting the tone of your day. A healthy breakfast can fuel your body and mind, helping you feel energized and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. So, let's jump right into it. Now, let's talk about the common hurdles we all face when it comes to breakfast. First off, time constraints. Mornings can be hectic, and it's often easier to grab something quick and unhealthy. Plus, many of us just run out of ideas on what to make that's both nutritious and delicious. It can be a real challenge. But don't worry, I've got your back. Today, I'm going to share some easy and healthy breakfast ideas that are perfect for busy mornings. Alright, let's get into the fun part, our 5 healthy breakfast ideas. First up, we have overnight oats. Just mix rolled oats with your favorite milk or yogurt, add some chia seeds, and top with fruits and nuts. Just let it sit in the fridge overnight, and you've got yourself a delicious and filling breakfast ready to go. Next is a smoothie bowl. Blend up some spinach, banana, and yogurt for a green smoothie, then pour it into a bowl and top with berries, seeds, and granola. It's like eating ice cream for breakfast, so good. Third on the list is avocado toast. Smash up some ripe avocado on whole grain bread, sprinkle with salt, pepper, and chili flakes, and voil. You've got a creamy, satisfying breakfast full of healthy fats. Our fourth idea is Greek yogurt parfaits. Layer Greek yogurt with granola and fresh fruits. It's not only tasty but packed with protein to keep you full longer. Last but not least, we have veggie omelets. Whisk a couple of eggs, pour them into a hot pan, and add your favorite veggies. Super easy and loaded with nutrients. Now, if I had to pick one standout breakfast idea that I absolutely love, it would be the overnight oats. They're so versatile you can switch up the fruits, nuts, and even the spices to keep it interesting. Plus, they're packed with fiber, which is fantastic for digestion. I really encourage you to give them a try. They might just become your new go-to breakfast. So there you have it. 5 healthy breakfast ideas to kickstart your day: overnight oats, smoothie bowls, avocado toast, Greek yogurt, parfaits, and veggie omelets. Remember, breakfast is super important for fueling your body and mind, so make it count. I'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite breakfast ideas? Drop a comment below, and if you're looking for more healthy meal inspiration, don't forget to check out our next video. See you next time.